What's the connection between fat, body fat, and liver, like liver fat?
Did you know that non-alcoholic fatty liver disease affects nearly 1 in 4 adults globally? Millions are silently struggling with liver issues and stubborn body fat. But here's the good news. Dr. William Li, a world-renowned physician, scientist, and best-selling author, has identified 5 everyday drinks that can cleanse your liver and speed up fat loss.
But your liver's basically main function is to cleanse and detoxify your body.
Let's dive into the 5 drinks Dr. Li recommends for a healthier liver and faster fat loss, starting with one you might already enjoy daily.
5 drinks that can help remove fat from your liver.
Green tea. First on the list is green tea. It's packed with antioxidants known as catechins. These catechins help reduce the amount of fat stored in your liver while also increasing your liver's fat-burning capacity. Research has shown that the polyphenols in green tea reduce liver fat and inflammation, 2 major factors that slow metabolism and lead to weight gain. For maximum benefit, aim for 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day. Whether hot or iced, green tea works at the cellular level to protect and rejuvenate your liver.
Had green tea also had lower blood pressure. They had better fasting glucose. It's a sign of metabolic health. And they actually had better blood lipids as well, blood cholesterol. Now, these are all helpful signs that you're losing excess body fat and having a better metabolism. All right, this is going to be helpful if you want to, if you're battling with a fatty liver and you want to actually turn away from it. This is the kind of thing that you actually want to do, lose some excess body fat.
Drink 2. Coffee. Coffee doesn't just wake you up, it also wakes up your liver. Studies show that regular coffee consumption helps reduce liver inflammation and prevents fat buildup. Coffee contains chlorogenic acid, a compound that enhances your liver's ability to break down fats, while also lowering the risk of liver diseases like cirrhosis and liver cancer. Research suggests that drinking 1 to 3 cups a day can significantly reduce liver fat, making your morning cup a powerful tool for liver health.
Now, the other thing about coffee and chlorogenic acid is that it actually prompts your body to make even more brown fat. Put more gas burners on your stove. All right, now it's not click, 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 whoosh with one. You want 6 burners, you want 8 burners. Coffee will actually give you lots of burners to be able to draw more fuel.
Drink 3. Tomato juice. Third on the list is tomato juice. It may not be the first drink that comes to mind, but it's rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and reduces fat buildup in the liver. Lycopene also lowers cholesterol and triglycerides, helping your liver function more efficiently and improving fat metabolism. Drinking a glass of tomato juice daily acts as a shield for your liver, detoxifying it and preventing fat accumulation.
A cup a day of tomato juice. All right, now if you're going to get commercial tomato juice, just please look at the label on the side and make sure that there isn't preservatives or flavoring or colorings that you don't want to have in there. All right, you're going to want to have pure tomato juice. You can learn how to make it yourself as well. And by the way, we're talking about beverages here, but you can probably guess if this works with tomato juice, tomato sauce is also probably going to be also a good way to integrate this into your diet. Got to be practical. You know, you might not want to drink tomato juice every day, then go for tomato sauce.
Drink 4. Watermelon juice. Next up is watermelon juice, a refreshing and hydrating drink that supports your liver. Watermelon is rich in vitamins A and C and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help reduce oxidative stress on the liver. These nutrients act as natural cleansers, enabling your liver to flush out toxins more efficiently. Additionally, watermelon's high water content aids digestion and hydration, both critical for proper fat metabolism. A glass of watermelon juice not only quenches your thirst, but also keeps your liver in peak condition.
The other thing about watermelons and watermelon juice that's healthy, this is like an extra credit benefit for you, is that watermelon flesh has something called citrulline. That's citrulline, citrulline, which your body uses to make a substance called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is absolutely critical for your health. And the more you actually have citrulline, the more nitric oxide your body's going to have. I'll tell you what nitric oxide does. It actually causes your blood vessels to dilate, relax. Guess what that happens then? your blood pressure goes down. And the other thing that nitric oxide does is it actually helps to pave and maintain your blood vessels. So inside your blood vessels, your circulation, got 60,000 miles worth of blood vessels in your body. They all respond to nitric oxide. The nitric oxide will actually call up stem cells that will look around and look in your blood vessels, and anywhere there's a pothole or damage, it'll let you replace it. All right, so it regenerates your blood vessels. Nitric oxide is a regenerative substance. So watermelon juice containing citrulline can actually give you that benefit as well.
And finally, the simplest yet most important drink, water. Hydration is essential for liver function, as water helps flush out toxins and supports every metabolic process, including fat burning. Without enough water, your liver has to work harder to detoxify your body and break down fats. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your liver functioning efficiently and boost fat loss.
I'm going to say it again. Drinking water is good for helping you lose excess body fat, among many beverages we talked about. But if you're going to have water, don't get it in a plastic bottle. Avoid plastic for your health, no matter what it takes in order to be able to do that.
From the powerful antioxidants in green tea to the hydrating benefits of watermelon juice and water, these 5 drinks do more than quench your thirst. They actively help cleanse your liver, reduce fat buildup, and support your body's natural fat-burning processes. Incorporate them into your daily routine and watch your liver health and fat loss improve. If you're serious about improving your liver health and shedding fat, these 5 drinks are a must-try. For more health tips on using food and drink to boost your body's natural defenses, check out our next video.